Hello and welcome back to the Cupcake Jemma channel with me, Gemma, and my very special and esteemed guest, Liam Charles. Hi, Liam.
Hello.
Liam had a birthday recently and asked us to make his cake, and you will have seen that video a week or so ago, and we had the most fun making it. It was a carnival themed party, so it was carnival themed cake. How was it? Did you even get a slice?
I didn't get to eat it.
God, you never do. Like, it's like a wedding.
And I was disappointed. But we're making it today, which I'm buzzing about.
Well, we're not going to make the whole cake.
No, imagine if we did that. I think we should. We got like 2 hours to make a 4-tier cake.
Oh my God, it's like Bake Off. Actually like Bake Off.
Imagine if they gave us a challenge.
I'm sure they will if they haven't already.
Nah,
those challenges are hard on Bake Off.
Low key, yeah. Well, when I was on it, they will never give that to me. Probably like this year, maybe, in like the final.
And like a showstopper.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, anyway, we aren't going to be making the full 4-tier cake, but what we are going to be doing is making one of your favourite flavours, which was the chocolate, peanut butter and salted caramel combo. We're not going to be decorating a carnival theme, we're keeping it simple, but it starts with our very delicious chocolate sponge. So it's super simple, you guys know this recipe. You may or may not, I don't know, but it's really easy. It's simple, wet ingredient, dry ingredient combo.
Sweet.
So you have your wet ingredients over here. I have my dry. We'll put all the quantities in the description box below, so don't you worry about that. And also, if you're a member of the Bake Club, get cracking if you fancy.
Okay, cool.
If you're a member of the Bake Club, you can get a full downloadable PDF.
Can I do it on the side?
You can do whatever you feel.
You know, I have to pretend it's my kitchen, innit?
Do you know what the guys do downstairs? They crack them against each other, and I'm like...
You see, I'm not built like that.
No,
so
me
I'll
neither.
do it on the corner, I go...
Sally does like full one-handers. I can't. I just
nice.
can't. So I'm going to be sifting all my dry ingredients through a sieve, just because that will help combine it a little bit, but also make it lighter, allegedly. That's actually true, it does make it lighter. So Liam, Bake Off Juniors, Junior Bake Off, you've just finished filming the latest season, haven't you?
Yeah. Literally just wrapped like 2 weeks ago.
Oh my gosh, and I know you probably can't tell us a lot,
Yeah.
but what is the kind of levels? What are the contestants like? Are they all really good?
No, they're horrible. No, I'm joking. To be fair, like every year they always seem to sort of surprise me.
Yeah.
Like you've got kids here, like who are like 12.
Yeah, because what's the age range?
Now this year it's 9 to, I want to say 9 to 12.
God, that's so young,
But
isn't it?
you get these like kids at like 9 and 10 that use like these incredible ingredients, and I thought, okay, when I was baking at like 16, I would never have thought to actually use these ingredients. So it's very eye-opening, and like their inspiration to the bakes that they use, like the bakes that they make, it's like whoa, it's very deep and very woke.
Deep and
very
woke.
conscious.
Wow. So just in case you didn't see that, I put my flour and my sugar through the sieve, but I've also got cocoa powder, and I've got bicarb and salt, which is going in all through the same sieve. Except that I just put my sieve down. Let's get it back. Oh, so yeah, and you also host, so you're a judge on Bake Off, but you're a host on Bake Off The Professionals, is that right? I actually love Bake Off The Professionals.
The multiverse of Bake Off.
It's a multiverse, isn't it?
Yeah. So what do you want me to do next? You want to put all the wet ingredients?
Oh yeah, all of these. So you've got your oil, vegetable oil, just a simple flavourless oil. You've got some cold coffee.
Lovely.
That's just instant, but we also like to use brewed coffee when we're feeling extra. And then there's buttermilk as well. You could use yogurt or sour cream if you want, but we don't. We use buttermilk. I'm going to put my very, very full bowl of dry ingredients into your hopefully big enough bowl, and we'll get mixing. Hang on. Ooh. Gosh, that's actually a lot, isn't it? Yeah, just whisk that until it's all smooth.
Sweet.
Yeah, so I feel like one of the most memorable Bake Off moments was the one with the guy with the ice cream cake, and he like chucked it in the bin.
Yeah.
And everyone's heart sank. The nation's heart sank.
That was so
So hard.
And he had to serve a bin. He had to walk to the front. He was like, "Oh, here's my bin." Should I? I actually would laugh because I actually know this guy. But,
you know him still?
Yeah,
Are you
no.
friends with people from Bake Off still?
No, I hate all of them. No, I'm joking. No, I mean it's like kind of like school in it. So like, obviously at the time, you're pals with all of them, and obviously like after the show, you know, some people you stay in contact with, some people you go your separate ways. Not because you don't like them, it's just like life in it. So,
yeah.
But there's always like mutual respect, because like, you know, we're all like a massive family, because every year only 12 people experience this whole thing.
Yeah.
So we kind of like ride through it together.
God, it's so intense. Now, how are your pouring skills? Here it goes.
Okay.
It's a good pour.
Come on, darling.
Well, we're nearly done with this. I should probably put the oven on. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Luckily, this oven is very good and it heats up super quick. So we're going to bake these for, yeah, like I said, 24 to 30 minutes, and I've got my skewer ready.
Awesome.
And we'll come back when they're done. See you later, cakes.
Bye. See you later.
I don't know why we're walking like robots, but this is what we're doing today. So it's just how he rolls. So we have our sponges. They've baked. They've cooled down completely, and as you can see, we've already trimmed and leveled them so that they're all neat and tidy. And we didn't do that on camera because it's a messy business, and we're not wearing aprons. And this is my guest, and I don't want him to leave here with like stained clothes. I mean, he's wearing all black, but you know, I just don't want a mess, basically. So what we need to do now is build the cake up. And we've got this luscious Swiss meringue buttercream here. I asked Dane to make this because I was so busy chatting to my pal Liam. I just didn't have the time. So Dane made that in the usual way. We've got tons of videos. I'll put a link to in the description box below to the video for Swiss. But it's basically over a bain-marie, you whisk your sugar and your egg whites together until all the grains have gone, and then you make that into a meringue using a balloon whisk, and then add butter until you get this lovely white, silky smooth stuff. But as Dane is allergic to peanuts, I don't think I could have asked him to add the peanut butter, so I don't want to kill him. So that's your job. So we want a whole jar of peanut butter, lovely smooth peanut butter, and then mix it all in together. Get mixing, Liam. Come on now.
Sorry, I like to dilly-dally around sometimes.
You do, I can tell. In fact, the first time you came here, I had to catch a train, and I was like, oh my God.
Oh yeah, we were talking. Yeah, you literally rushed us out.
Like, right, so I think we've got this sorted out. No, off you go, bye. Gonna catch a train.
Literally.
This is delightful.
This is gorgeous.
You can turn it up if you want, you know? Go crazy.
Good.
Woo!
But Dane, step back.
Yeah, Dane. Get out of the zone. So it's looking pretty good, and I'm very excited. So I'm gonna steal a bit of this now while it's still going round. That's danger. Just so that I can have a bit to stick my first sponge on.
This smells so good.
Doesn't it? Peanut butter. Ooh, I can't decide. Let's go for this one. Now, obviously, you want it in the middle. Very important. Now, we're going to fill this with the delicious peanut Swiss, and we're going to make a well, like a divot. We like calling it a divot here at Crumbs and Doilies, so that creates a kind of area for the caramel to kind of hide. And that way, when we cut through it, the caramel will be like, coming out. Right, if you can just put a bit of caramel in the middle, like a decent blob. There, look at that. Getting it. Nice. So we'll just keep building this cake up. You guys, bit by bit. Obviously, make sure.
So that's what we're doing, yeah? So you apply the buttercream and I do the middle. Yeah,
it's teamwork. Makes the dream work.
Love that.
That's what they say. Plop.
Tell her when to stop when it comes to caramel.
Oh, I will. That's a bit more. That'll do.
Cool.
Nice. The perfect amount. Oh, when you cut into this, and there's just that like oozy bit. Smooth that guy out. We'll do this all again.
Lovely. They think I'm just a pretty face, Jemma.
What's that?
They think I'm just a pretty face.
They do, but little do they know that you are actually a very proficient cake decorator.
I'm actually okay at this.
She's all right.
I'm not a fraud.
No, you've got a book.
This. 2.
Have you got 2?
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. I was about to do the crumb coat, but that's your job. Listen, you go.
Oh
go
my
ahead.
God, so much pressure.
Here, look. You can use this this little palette
Thank
knife.
you, Sean.
Or a big one.
How do you normally do it?
I do a dollop on the top, even, and let it kind of spill out a little bit, and then I use this one to do the sides.
I like
Just
more
discovered
control.
that Liam is left-handed, so this is very exciting because it means I'm not going to get an elbow in my face during this process, because normally it'd be like, ooh, and I'll be like, oh, you know. I'm sorry, I'm still so close to you.
It's okay.
I hope you don't mind my invasion of your personal space.
That's fine. That is fine.
Beautiful. This is looking great. Right.
Bro, I'm telling you, people think I'm a fraud. I don't just host, all right? I actually make cake.
He's not just a pretty face. I've seen it in action. This is very nice. Right.
It's all right, isn't it?
It's lovely. Right, well, let's get it chilling out. Oh, it's a heavy one because this base is very heavy. Right, we're going to put this into the fridge, chill it down until it's nice and set. Probably take about 30 to 45 minutes, and we'll see you in a bit. Oh, hey, we have a beautifully top-coated cake. You will notice that it's not on the same cake board, and that's because we did another one. Because we just wanted to get a wriggle on so that we could get to the eating part quicker. So we've already done the top coat. It's looking beautiful. How are these corners working out for you?
Razor sharp.
Razor sharp. And so all that remains is to finish the decorating. So we've made some chocolate ganache here. This is like a spreadable ganache that we use down in the bakery to cover cakes in. It's basically 150 grams of 54% chocolate. We melted that together with 75 grams of butter, and then once that was all sort of smooth, we added 75 grams of cold double cream. So it kind of, because the double cream's cold, it starts to thicken quite quickly, and then we just leave it until it gets to this lovely spreadable consistency. And I'm gonna use that to create a kind of band of delicious chocolatiness down the bottom, like so. So I'll start off making it a bit messy. So I'm just using my cake scraper, or bench scraper if you will, just to lightly smooth that out. I don't want to like do what we were just talking about, like smush it in. I'm just going to sort of smooth it. Yeah. Right, I'm going to pop this into the fridge just for a minute, just to firm up a little bit, because we're going to whip this bit and it will just help it whip up. But what you're going to do is snip a tiny little hole into the piping bag that you have there. Oh, with some scissors that have miraculously appeared in front of you. Yeah, so a little, because we're going to do a drip of peanut butter. This is peanut butter that I've just put in the microwave for a little bit, just to make it a bit warm and runny. And because I like to have a sort of slightly uneven lengths of drip and stuff, I'll maybe hold it there for a bit longer and squeeze.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So why don't you carry on?
Oh, fair play. Yeah. You've done it before.
You carry on doing that, and meanwhile, I'm going to stick little bits of broken up salted roasted peanuts.
So we're going to pipe on the corner and move on.
Exactly. Just give it a little squeeze. Oh yeah, this is looking good. Now, oh, well done. Nice dripping. So if you could whip the rest of this ganache up with this handy, it came out of nowhere machine. So you can see it's starting to go paler. And it goes kind of moussey. It's yummy. We're going to put that on top. That's lovely. I think that will probably do. Right, well done. Well done, you. Now, can you hold my bag? Thanks. And I will scoop it all in. Oh my gosh, maybe lost it for a second. So I have this really nice like star nozzle, and I'm going to create a kind of swirly pattern on the top. Oh, this cake, I actually can't wait to crack into it. What about you?
I'm buzzing. My favourite combination. Caramel, wait, there is caramel in there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot. Caramel, peanut butter and chocolate.
Yeah.
In the middle.
So, I'm just going to create a kind of, like a continuous swirly rope. So, using my nice star nozzle, stop a little bit and give it a twist. This is going to create a nice space to fill with caramel for even more oozing. Right, that's my delicious ganache crown.
Love that.
And the last thing to do, which is your job, is to just, not all of that, that's probably a bit too much, but
not
just flood,
all of it?
Well, do what you feel. Put all of that, or some of that, into the middle, and then just kind of...
Is it a bit too, like, thick? Or you good?
No, I think we can use gravity and time for it to spread out.
Cool.
Oh, look at that though. Yum. And then when we cut through that, I reckon you could probably go a bit more. So just tease it into all those edges and corners and holes.
This is banging.
That is banging.
Yeah.
There it is.
Woo. Top tier.
So, now all we need to do is have some. So let's get, oh look, as if by magic, some plates have appeared. Thanks, Sally. and I've also got a knife.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Do you want to be mother?
No, do you know what it is? I think because it was my birthday, I never cut. I mean, I'll do the first slice,
Okay.
like the first.
There you go.
And then, you know.
Oh, hang on, we've got left-handedness as well.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a massive slice.
Massive.
Oh, look at that sauce though. Oh my gosh, this actually is quite a big slice.
Oh, is it?
Hope you're hungry. Maybe we just need one plate and we're just gonna share it. Right, let's have a little peekaboo. Hello. Look at this. Here, have a fork.
Yeah.
Right, I'll let you have the first mouthful since you're the guest. And because you didn't get any at your own birthday party. Oh wow, he's going in for the full caramel experience.
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah. Yeah? That's good? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Super peanutty. Caramel and peanut just go so well together. Am I right? Yeah, he can't even speak. I mean, his mouth's really full, so there's that. But also, he's speechless. No, still nothing.
It's so nice.
I mean, that's what we waited for. It's so nice.
It's like the saltiness and the creaminess of the Swiss meringue. And you've got the caramel as well.
And the whipped ganache as well, which is like mousse. It's like fancy mousse.
You've got the chocolate sponge.
We've got it all.
Junior bakers, why can't you bake like this, man?
Oh, do you get to eat the cakes on Junior Bake Off? Of course you do, you're the judge. Duh. A massive piece of the puzzle just.
Oh, that's incredible.
But nothing as good as this.
I know, big facts. Because
Aww. Well, I think they're very talented, the kids on Bake Off.
Oh, they are.
Oh my
They
God,
are.
I mean, this is like Dane's kind of portions. You should see Dane when he eats the cakes. You've never seen this amount of food go in one person's mouth. It's very impressive.
Okay, we'll have a little bit more.
Why not, you know? Just save some room because we have now finished this cake, but the party's not over here. If you're a member of our bake club, then you'll know we do the last crumb after these cake bakes, and we'll all go and sit on the sofa and share. So save a bit of room, for goodness sake, otherwise you're not gonna be able to eat anymore. So if you wanna get in on that action, head over to patreon.com/Cupcake Jemma to join our bake club and check out our little after bake chat over there. Thank you. I mean, thank you so much for coming on the channel and eating all of the cake. It's been an absolute pleasure. You must come again.
Yeah, I'm back. I'll be a series regular. Once a year.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Why not?
Can we
You
sign
know?
a contract now?
Sure. Well, do it in cake. Well, you can sign it in icing.
I'll tell you what I'll do. I will be over there.
Oh.
Sign up for the Patreon.
Patreon.
Patreon. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. See you in a sec.